Stop by and take a look at the 2024 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, moonroof, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power liftgate, stability control, tire pressure monitor. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.